Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have an amazing and simple recipe for you all to try this Lent season. This one is for a shrimp po' boy. You all are definitely going to want to try this one, and if you wanted to make it vegetarian, switch it up with cauliflower. So to start this recipe, I'm starting with my shrimp, or you can use cauliflower as I said, and we're going to keep this really simple because we don't want to muddle the flavors. So I'm going to start by adding some black pepper to the shrimp. Now I am adding in the seasonings that I would like. Of course, feel free to add what you have on hand. In goes some fish seasoning, Cajun seasoning, and this is the brand that I'm using. Feel free to use any brand you have on hand. In goes some all-purpose seasoning, and give that a good mix. You can add some green seasoning if you wanted to. Mix and allow to marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. While that is marinating, let's prepare our dry dredge. So to a big bowl, I'm going to add in flour. To the flour, I'm also going to add in some fine cornmeal and some cornstarch. The cornstarch will give it that really crisp exterior. Season with some more Cajun seasoning and some lemon pepper. Now give this a mix and set that aside. In another bowl, let's create our dressing. We're making a Sriracha mayo. So we're going to add your favorite mayo, or you can use sour cream if you like. It's totally optional. And to that, I'm going in with my Sriracha sauce. Give that a good mix. Just 2 ingredients you need here. If you wanted to add some hot sauce or some pepper sauce to this, of course you can. So give that a mix and set it aside. Now let's dredge our shrimp. So you're going to add your shrimp to your mixture, and you'll notice I'm not using any eggs to give it a really thick exterior. You can dip it in eggs if you wanted to. I'm just doing the dry mixture today. So coat it really well. Shake off any excess dry flour and set it on a plate. I'm going for a really light coating here. Now it's time to fry. So in your oil, make sure your oil is nice and hot, and you're going to fry these no longer than 2 minutes. Shrimp cooks really quickly, so as soon as it turns pink and it's golden, you'll remove it from your hot oil. So these are perfect. They turned a nice C shape, so you'll know that they're done. So remove it and set it aside. Let it drain on a wire rack so it stays nice and crisp. Now let's toast our bread. Here I'm using a Cuban roll. You can use a French bread, whatever you would like. Feel free to even use a hops bread. Lightly butter and toast it in your pan until it's nice and toasted and light brown. Once it's toasted, it's now time to build our sandwich. So I'm using a shredded coleslaw mixture here. You can use coleslaw if you wanted to, but we're already using that mayo dressing. So place your fried shrimp or fried cauliflower, or whatever you decide to use if you use calamari, oysters, and dress with that Sriracha mayo. Put as much or as little as you like. Add hot sauce, add relish, add whatever you like to your sandwich. It's yours to enjoy, so feel free to put as much condiments as you would like. I'm going to finish off with some chopped chives. Chives is the smaller version to the scallion, or scythe as we say in Trinidad. And that's it. Your po' boy is now ready to be enjoyed. How amazing does this look? This was so flavorful, and I can't wait for you all to try this recipe. So give it a try, comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for joining me again today for this amazing recipe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.